gonna give 10,000 to the person who will do the first double airflare.
Lil Amok, this is for you, motherfucker.
Bro, Lil Amok is giving 10,000 euros to the first guy to perform a double airflare, bro.
10,000 euros?
Yeah, man, check it out.
What?
I'm gonna give 10,000 to the person who will do the first double airflare.
Did he just say 10,000 euros?
Everyone, forget life as you know it, as I am about to perform the first double airflare.
Lil Amok, this is for you, motherfucker.
Yo, dude, is it okay, man? Yeah, he's a beast. Shit. You almost had it.
Maybe we should call an ambulance.
Yeah, man. I think he snapped his neck, bro.
What just happened, man?
Bro,
You just tried double.
airflare, bro.
Double airflare? Why?
Because the first one to do it gets 10,000 euros.
10,000 euros?
Yo guys, we hope you enjoyed this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe. That's right, and leave a random comment down below if you want us to make more of these videos. And if you thought you were gonna see a double airflare, smash that like button right there. Smash that and work on your double airflare. Peace.